everyone, my name is Bhavna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So I'm back almost after a month and I did miss this and I don't want to make any excuses right now. So now enough of this blabbering, let's just start the video. So today's video is in collaboration with Pipabella. As you guys loved my previous video which was a jewelry haul. So here is another jewelry haul video for you guys. I just wanted to let you know guys more about this brand. What is this Pipabella is all about. So this brand Pipabella is an online jewelry store from where you can get trendy jewelry pieces and in a good budget. Trust me, the quality is amazing. Like when we shop online, we always get worried about the quality. There is always a thing in our mind ki whether the product will be same as shown in the picture, but here you don't have to worry about that because the quality is amazing and the product is as similar as shown in the picture, because I have got the jewelry pieces and these are same as they were shown in the picture. I know the prices are not very cheaper, but when it comes to the quality, the spend is worth. I'm going to put the link below on my description box so that if you want to visit or if you want to check out the jewelry pieces, you can have a look at it. So finally it's time. I'm going to show you the jewelry pieces which I got from there. I have got 3 jewelry pieces from there, and yeah, so let me just show you the first one. The first thing which I'm going to show you is this beautiful golden necklace. Okay, so it has this tiny stones embellished on it and it adds so much beauty to the necklace. It looks really beautiful. This necklace can go with any outfit. You can style them with a basic outfit or you can style them for a workwear. Like it can go with anything. I don't remember the price, but it was not very cheaper, but as I said that the quality is amazing, so never mind. So here is the earring which I got from there, and let me just show you closely. Okay, so it has this Dara gold and Swarovski pearl dangle. This earring is very different and it is very much chic. Like I wanted something different for me this time because I feel you should have different kind of jewelry pieces in your wardrobe so that you can style them with your outfit in future. These earrings can go with any evening outfit or party wear, or you can also style them with an Indian outfit. As I said, you need something different, and so does you need a statement earring. So here is the statement earring which I got from there, and you can already see it. White crystals everywhere. This is so much classy, chic, and I don't have enough words to describe. It's beautiful. You know what? This is the most beautiful earring which I have ever got for myself, and I feel you should also get this one. So this was it for today's video, and if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you guys in the next video, and this time I'll be back very soon. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.